Do you want to work from home, earn in dollars, and start a career that requires no degree? In this video, I will show you how to get virtual assistant jobs in Nigeria, step by step. I will also review 5 trusted websites where Nigerians can apply today, so make sure you watch till the end. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos on remote jobs for Nigerians. A virtual assistant or VA is simply someone who helps businesses and entrepreneurs with online tasks. This can include answering emails, managing schedules, doing data entry, booking appointments, running social media accounts, or even simple research tasks. Think of it like being an office assistant, but you work online from anywhere in Nigeria. What are the tools and the skills needed right here? So to get started as a VA, you need 3 main things. Number 1 is basic computer skills, using email, spreadsheets, and online tools like Google Docs. Number 2, you need good communication skills, which is very important since you will often deal with clients directly. And number 3 is a reliable laptop and internet connection, so your office is wherever you are. Take note of that. So guys, this is optional but helpful, so you can learn tools like Trello, Slack, or Canva. So now, website to find virtual assistant jobs. So at number 1, we have Upwork. So guys, Upwork is the world's biggest freelancing marketplace. Businesses post jobs daily looking for virtual assistants, and you will need to create a strong profile right there, write good proposals, and start small to build reviews. And guys, payments can be withdrawn to Pioneer, which works for Nigerians. So guys, you can simply search for virtual assistant role right here. Let's simply search for virtual assistant role. So guys, now as you can see right there, we found thousands of top-rated general virtual assistants pros right here on the Upwork. Alright, so let me click this. I want to show you how much these people are actually earning by listing their gig right here. So as you can see right here, the first person right there is earning $15 per hour. As you can see, they are all virtual assistants. As you can see right here, $10 per hour, $5 per hour, and guys, and so on. So guys, the only thing that will stop you is if you are lazy, guys. So guys, you need consistency. Alright, so you need to be consistent. Alright, so guys, that is the key right here. At number 2, we have Fiverr. So guys, unlike Upwork, Fiverr lets you create a service called a gig. For example, I will be your professional virtual assistant for 4 hours, so clients search and order directly from you. So guys, this is a great way to start earning even as a beginner, as long as your gig is clear and attractive. So guys, you can also search for something like this under Fiverr. So guys, you can list your gig right here on Fiverr as a virtual assistant. Alright, so as you can see right here, there are loads of things you can actually do right here: programming tech, graphics and design, digital marketing, writing and translation, video and animation, AI services, music and audio, and so on. So guys, this one is very similar to Upwork. Clients post tasks and you bid for them. The platform has both short-term projects and long-term contracts. Again, Pioneer works right here, so payments are not a problem for Nigerians. Alright, so you can simply click on the sign up to actually get started. Alright, we have PeoplePerHour. So guys, this site focuses on freelance and VA tasks, especially for small businesses. Now guys, this one, it is less competitive than Upwork and Fiverr, which means you can stand out faster if you have the right profile. So guys, many Nigerians are already landing jobs right here on PeoplePerHour. Right, so guys, you can simply get started right here for free on the PeoplePerHour. Alright, it's totally free. Right, so you can start now for free. So guys, this platform is growing fast and has many opportunities for virtual assistants, especially in admin, support, social media, and customer service, because it is less crowded. It is easier for beginners from Nigeria to actually get noticed right here on Workana. Alright, so guys, you want to click on I want to work. Alright, so if you want to hire, you want to click on I want to hire. You want to click on I want to work. So guys, when you click on I want to work, you want to become a freelancer right here. So you want to click on Freelancer to actually get started. Alright, so guys, here are quick tips to increase your chances. So you want to start with smaller jobs to build reviews. And another thing to take note of is price. You want to price competitively at first, then raise rates as you gain experience, and always deliver on time and communicate clearly, because good reviews will bring repeat clients. All right, so take note of that. And of course, don't be afraid to apply often. The more you apply, the faster you land your first client. All right, but now you know how to become a virtual assistant in Nigeria and the best 5 websites to get jobs. So guys, which platform will you try first? Comment below, I would love to know. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and check the description for more resources on remote jobs for Nigerians.